Hello guys, may latest member ang budget-friendly Realme C series. Ito ang Realme C75 na may armor shield protection 360-degree comprehensive shockproof. Sa ngayon, ang Realme C75 ay hindi pa available dito sa atin. Pero kung gusto nyo malaman ang estimated price nito, pakitapos nyo lang ang buong video. Meron siyang 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. May 90Hz refresh rate at may 180Hz touch sampling rate with 619 nits peak brightness at ito ay may armor shell tempered glass screen protection. Ang Realme C75 ay may operating system na Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14 with MediaTek Helio G92 Max chipset. Ang smartphone na to ay may 8GB of RAM plus 16GB dynamic RAM with 128 or 256GB of internal storage expandable via microSD. Ang Realme C75 ay may 50MP main camera with LED flash at may up to 1080p at 30fps video recording. Meron naman itong 8MP selfie camera with up to 1080p at 30fps video recording. Sa kanya naman battery, meron siyang 6,000 mAh battery capacity with 45W fast charging. Meron siyang side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock at ito ay may stereo speakers. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 165.69 by 76.22 by 7.99mm at ito ay may timbang na 196 grams with IP69 water and dust resistance at ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 4G LTE, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, QZSS, PDS, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon naman guys, dito na tayo sa kanyang estimated price. Ang estimated price ng Realme C75 ay around 13,100 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakali magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Realme C75? Please comment down below. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video natin ngayon, please like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat!